First of all, let's go over the properties of a definite integral. Remember, definite integral is assigned the area under the curve. For the graph above x-axis, the definite integral will be positive. For the graph below x-axis, the definite integral is negative. According to this property, let's work out this example. For A, integral from 0 to 4 of f of x dx. 0 to 4 integral for this f of x function, you could say will be the area under the curve. So basically, that's the area of a semicircle. You will get pi r will be 2 squared over 2. Therefore, you will get 2 pi. For integral from 4 to 6 of f of x dx, 4 to 6 below x-axis, therefore it will be negative. That's negative 4. For, say, integral from 6 to 8 of f of x dx, 6 to 8, the curve is above x-axis. Therefore, will be the area of a semicircle, pi 1 squared over 2. So you get pi over 2. For D, integral from 0 to 8 f of x dx, you will get 2 pi minus 4 plus pi over 2. Therefore, you will get 5 pi over 2 minus 4. For E, integral from 0 to 8 of f of x absolute value dx. When you put the absolute value, which means the total area under the curve. Therefore, we will have 2 pi plus 4 plus pi over 2 equals 5 pi over 2 plus 4. Remember, when you put the absolute value, we are looking for total area under the curve. And also we have a reversed interval property like this. Additive interval property and linearity of a definite integral. Therefore, you could say for number 1, the interval didn't change. So we can use additive interval property of a definite integral. You will get integral from 0 to 1 x squared dx plus integral from 0 to 1 square root x dx equals integral from 0 to 1 x squared plus square root of x dx. For second question, given that integral from -1 to 1 of f of x dx equals -4, determine the values of the following definite integral. For A, since we reverse the interval, therefore you will get the -4 equals 4. For B, we can separate as the integral from -1 to 1 2 dx plus definite integral from -1 to 1 f of x dx. We work this out, it will be 2x from -1 to 1, then plus -4. So we get 2 times 1 minus bracket 2 times -1 bracket plus -4. So you get 2 plus 2 minus 4 equals to 0. Let's go to C. This time we can take this 2 out. We will get the 2 times integral from -1 to 1 f of x dx. So you get the 2 times -4 equals -8. Let's go to D. Find the case such that integral from -1 to 1 of k times f of x dx equals 7. So we can take a k outside. We will get integral -1 to 1 f of x dx equals 7. K times -4 equals 7. Therefore, we divide by -4 both sides. You will get a k equals -7/4.